What's up, everybody? I need to show you guys something. Check out my brand new one, two, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, buckle some more, 5, 6, Nike kicks. Ooh, that is so fire. So, I think today we should play some doors. I've never really played doors with you guys, but I play doors all the time, and it's so fun. And I think it's like one of the funnest games I've ever played. Get out of the way. So you guys are gonna watch me play doors. So guys, just subscribe, like, and let's get right into it. The best game in Roblox. Guys, look, I can do the elevator jam on piano. Wait, first I'm gonna do Okay, now I'm gonna do the elevator jam. I don't really feel like getting something right now. I guess I'll get like a lighter and rock thing. They're like one of the best things you want to get. Good luck. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see that's the thing. Okay. And I'm gonna go here, like that. Open the doors. Go here, go here. Okay. If I see,
Don't know what button I put the rocket launcher on, but
if I see eyes at door 90 something, I am going to scream. I always die. I always lose health from eyes at door 90. So if I see them, I am gonna scream. Like I'm gonna be so mad. I might just die though. But I don't like playing it without anyone because I just think it's boring just playing by myself. But it's still really fun. So I'm gonna go down here. Eyes? What? Is he up? I swear to God, I heard eyes. I don't get it, but another lockpick. So guys, I am going to, my dog is like right there. Okay, thanks for remembering. So this is like Oh God. I don't know why this reminds me of the Bloody Mary. I don't know why this reminds me of the Bloody Mary challenge that me and Steven did. If you guys never seen that video, go watch it, but I don't know why, it just reminds me of it. It just, I don't know why. Yeah, first I'm gonna check what's, if it's doing what. Oh crap. Okay, good. No, I said. Oh, come on. There's always something bad. I hope I can get the crucifix, cause when I got the crucifix, it helped me at it really did help me at door 90 because I always die at door 90. And one time I made it to door 100 because the crucifix saved my life. And one time I also made it to door 100, but then I died by rush right when I was about to make it to door 100. I saw the door 100, but then right when I saw it, rush came and I forgot to get in the closet. I know how dumb I am, right? Like I never thought I could be that dumb. There were 4 closets. I could have just gotten there, but I don't know why. So I don't know why I didn't do that. I saw the closets. I just didn't get in it for some reason. Oh, okay. I just speed ran this. It went so quick. Bro, I'm already at sea. That's why I said I speed running this. Guys, bad news. Steven's calling because the video is not over yet. So I'll invite him. No, I can't because I'm not. Guys, this is bad. Mom! It is out here. I'm just getting coins right now, guys. You know what? I don't like to leave you guys hanging there, so I'm just going to do this because I can't just leave you guys hanging and make it boring. Okay, guys, here we go. Wait, this is it, right? Because
What, Chloe?
oh, I was gonna say, I said let Jasmine in, but I'm gonna see if Jack is in here. Nope, no Jack.
Somebody here?
Okay, no. I just said, Bob, can you let Jasmine outside? I'm making a video, so. Hey guys, here's the run. Here it is.
Nobody's here, baby.
No, I was talking. Oh.
Oh, I know, but somebody's here.
Oh God.
That's why she wants
That's
inside. Better head me out of there.
So guys, if you don't see me, that's because I'm gonna edit. That's because I'm gonna edit myself out. Because if I get in the way, that and you guys can't see, so that's very bad. Because I know you guys want to see the gameplay. So, Jasmine, what are you? Okay. You guys might not see me right now because I'm hugging my dog. At the end of the video, when I upload this video, I'm going to make it that. So yeah. The easiest parts used to be hard, but now they're just like easy. So seek first. Yeah, figure. Seek and figure are like one of the hardest. Well, it used to be one of the hardest, but now they're just really easy. For me, they used to be hard, but now they're just like so easy. Well, this sucks. Oh, it's over here. Yeah, that's over here. Was that? Oh, I swear to God, I thought it was. Buckle my shoes, 3, 4, buckle some more, 5, 6, 96. That is so fire! And that's all. Okay. He's glad to be in the video, but if he doesn't want to, he doesn't have to. He might be in the video. He might not. Please, crucifix. No crucifix. One time I found the crucifix right here. And 3, I ran out of fuel. Yes! Oh, yeah, I almost passed that. Guys, if I could, I'll get the crucifix, and I'll get, if there is, I'll get a candle, but if there, $44, $46. At first I'm gonna try 45. That's all. I guess that is it. Dad, I'm recording a video right now.
You are.
You wanna be in it? You can be in it if you want. I'm playing Doors right now.
Really?
And I'm trying to speedrun this.
Who are you playing with?
Oh, I'm playing by myself.
You making a video with?
I want to make a video with someone, but Mom or Chase don't like making videos. So you're my only hope.
You're only 2, huh? Alright.
So this is
Let me finish bringing in the groceries, okay?
okay. Hey guys, I got figure. 250. Guys, let's hope I do this. Well, I do this all the time, but I suck at door 100. Just have to say that. Never beaten it, so I'm hoping I beat it today, but basically I play with there. I made it. Oh crap! Okay, I walked for a second, but they didn't hear me, so. he has that. Wait until he's fine. Oh god, he's close. Hey, here, book. It's at this side, yeah. I still hear another book. Oh, no, that was just the book I was. Oh. Okay, so guys, this is really scary. I swear, if I die, I'm gonna scream. I swear, if I. Did he hear me? How? I just said if I die, I'm gonna scream. Did he hear me? Hello? Figure? Can you hear me? Hello? 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 You know what? There, I screamed.
When you do die,
Yes. Bro, I said if I die here, I'm gonna scream. And it sounded like he heard me, so he just came and ran to me.
yeah.
And I wasn't even crouching.
So is it split screen?
No, but you
How am I
can
supposed to
play.
be in your video?
You can play on
here?
yeah. I think I'm friends with you on. I'm friends with this character on my account.
Alright. Let me put these away then. I'm jumping on.
Don't die at sea. You always die.
Guys, some of those Pop Tarts. Oh, you said you like Pop Tarts. The other day we were talking about the little things that you put the icing on. I was like, no, you're supposed to put them in the toast. I thought you liked them.
I never liked them.
So there's something in there. I'll eat them all in.
It's been a long time since I tried it. Was this how they were? Yeah, I don't like stuff
Everything. You gotta start learning to like more food, man. They're big and strong.
You know what, guys? I'm gonna make a part 2 because my dad's gonna play soon. So peace, peace.